Na'am, alhamdulillah, when it comes to slaughtering animals on Eid day or any other day of slaughtering, the essence is slaughtering lillah, slaughtering for the case of Allah tabarak wa ta'ala. Very many people slaughter for houses, they sacrifice for other gods, other deities, other human beings. They sacrifice for other reasons other than the Creator. But in this case, we are talking about sacrificing lillah, sacrificing for the case of Allah tabarak wa ta'ala. قُلْ إِنَّ صَلَاتِي وَنُسُكِي وَمَحْيَايَ وَمَمَاتِي لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ لَا شَرِيكَ لَهُ. And nusuk, that slaughtering, should be directed to Allah tabarak wa ta'ala. You slaughter only and only for the case of Allah tabarak wa ta'ala. Whoever slaughters in the name of any other God other than the Almighty Creator, that person has done shirk, that person has done the biggest sin. So we slaughter to purify our belief, our iman, that we are slaughtering lillahi la sharika lahu. We slaughter lillah without associating him with any other deity.